Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how you can install SSD, or we can also say solid state drive, to our old as well as new laptop. Let me tell you, this is an HP laptop just a year old. But it was running very slow. How slow it is you can check out the video available in the description and in the I button as well. So first you need to screw it up and open the backside of the laptop as you are watching in this video. As you already know, SSD is much more costly than an HDD. We are going to install a 250GB SSD. You can also install SSD using Caddy if your laptop has a CD drive built in. But in my case, I don't have any CD drive on this laptop. You also have another option of installing M.2 SSD, and keep it in mind that will cost you more bucks than a normal Sata SSD. But you have an advantage using M.2 SSD, that's more fast than Sata 2.5 inches SSD. I am not going to use any caddy or something like that. Simply we will replace the internal HDD with an SSD. But now you will think about how we will install our original Windows if we will replace the HDD. But hey, wait, we have a solution for this as well. You can check out the video on how to take a backup of your original Windows and install it in your new SSD so that you will not lose anything. And trust me, this is working. So as you can see, we have already installed SSD and replaced our HDD. This is a very simple as easy process. Screw it up properly and try not to leave any cables out for proper connection. Then just turn off the laptop and go to the BIOS setting and check whether it's supported or not. As you can see, it's supported and we can see the storage. This SSD comes with a 1-year warranty. After installation, just close the back lid as we have removed it. And you are good to go. And this will bring you an extremely fast like you have never expected from an HDD. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this useful, please hit the subscribe button and press the like button as well. And do let me in the comment what do you think about upgrading to SSD. I will see you in the next video.